welcome to Monday's Assembly. A special welcome to all our parents and carers who are watching this assembly with their children. We really like having you here. Now, I hope you were able to enjoy the lovely weather we had this weekend. It's supposed to be nice again today, and then again nicer next weekend, so fingers crossed. I know why you're all here. You always here on Mondays to find out what today's challenge is. But before we find out Monday's challenge, I want to talk to you a little bit about remembering about the year of respect and what respect means. Let's take a moment to remember what respect is all about. Respect is about treating others the way you want to be treated. It's about showing kindness and consideration. It's about liking yourself enough to be yourself. And it's accepting others for who they are. Showing respect is an important part of our lives and one that we should be doing every single day of our lives. With that in mind, it's time for us to set out our challenge for this week. Challenge 12. Wow. Have a look. This week's challenge is to create a new flower or plant. First, you need to choose someone that's special to you. Then, I want you to think about why they are special to you. Third, I want you to think about how would those things be expressed as a flower or a plant? What would it look like, all those special things? Then I want you to draw and color or make a model of your new special flower or plant and give it a special name. Make sure you share it on Twitter or you email it to your teacher so that we can share it in our celebrations assembly. It could be someone in your family, your mom or dad, or it could be a brother or a sister or a cousin or any one of people in your family. Grandparents could be as well. Think about your nan or your granddad, or it could be your neighbors, some really nice neighbors who you talk to or you see a lot. Or it could be some friends from school, or people you play games with or play rugby with or do dance with as well. Or it could be your teacher who's very special to you and you might be missing her. What we need to remember is that when someone shows respect, they don't forget to say please or thank you. They or treat each other properly and the same care as others. They use nice words and actions. They speak cautiously. They treat others with kindness. They don't bully, and they consider other people's feelings. Then you take this and create a plant or a flower in whatever way you want to. Maybe you'll use some modeling, or maybe you'll do some drawings. Maybe you will create some wonderful things like we see in the pictures. You can use anything really. You could use your Legos to make plants and flowers like we see here, or you could use Play-Doh and make some flowers and plants as well. I want you to think about the person and think about what makes them special and create a very creative, new, and an unusual plant. Remember, we're going to create a new flower or plant. We're going to choose somebody that's special to you. You're going to think about who they are and what they do, and we're going to make a creative flower or plant and give it a very special name, and then we're going to share it. Isn't this a great challenge? I think it is. I think it's going to be a fantastic challenge for all of us to undertake. And I can't wait to see all of your creations, your models, and your pictures, and telling me all about that special person and why you created just the flower plant that you did. All right, people. I hope you have a really good week. Lots of things to do. Remember, your teachers are putting lessons online, and she's going to be giving you a ring this week, so make sure you listen out for the phone so you get the chance to talk to her again this week like we do every week. Have a good week, everyone, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.